Bamboo, just a simple word with a lot of meaning. Present in the history of the human race since ancient times. Connecting us in silence, always strong, always trustworthy. It's time for the world to know that bamboo can change everything, because we are breaking all the challenges. Every day we are opening new paths for a better future. We are creating shapes and shadows, light and hope. Our teamwork is our power, and your strength is our inspiration. We are growing from the earth to the sky, so even the stars can know your name. All together, holding the magical material to transform our existence in every taste and every color, we will be one. This is your dream, this is our dream, and now these dreams will become legendary because what we have done together will be remembered forever. Raise your arms to the sky and be part of the challenge. World Bamboo Workshop, Manipur, India, 2019. Thank you, INFA.